Alright guys, what it do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about an opportunity that I personally think is the play. Right? If you look at the stock market and everything that's going on, you can clearly see that there's pain. Mad pain. And there will continue to be more pain. Bank of England, man, I heard giving people timestamps, buying with these chips and mandates and laws. Ain't nobody really got it. But what if I told you you could get it? Right? That catch your, that pique your curiosity? Alright guys, so I'm pretty sure you out here wondering, everything goes up in price. How can I secure the bag? What route can I take when the stock market's falling? The housing market falling. And everywhere you go, all you see is mass pain, more pain incoming. No growth until like 2024 potentially. You see me just like, bro, come on. Like, I already ain't got it, right? I ain't got time for a recession to make sure I ain't got it even more. Like, how can I make money? Now, this is where things get interesting. I have showed you the way previously. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you. Most definitely consider subscribing. Why subscribing? Because I'm going to document the journey to get in the bag. I've been documenting it so far, and I must say my net worth is growing rapidly. Even in today's time where things are falling, I'm on an up and up. Not bragging, not even a little bit, but hey, give your boy some credit, right? But how can you grow your net worth? How can you grow your passive income? How can you help yourself? Because you got to have multiple sources of income. You got to. There's no way you get there without it.
You smart.
But how can you get that multiple source of income? Right? Dividend investing. Dividend investing. I'm like, okay, yeah. I've heard this before. But it's not the play. But my friend, right now is the best time.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Why? Dividend or blue chip stocks. What does that mean? These are stocks in which company pay you to hold them. If you hold some of the better high value blue chip stocks, you will make money quarterly. If you pick the right ones and line them up, you can make money monthly. Why? Because these will pay out this month, next will pay out this month, the next will pay out this month, and they just keep recycling. But with dividend investing, you can really start to, one, put your money up into some solid assets because you need your assets, right? Two, you get paid just for holding, right? And why is it the best time to start now? Oh no, I don't know. Everything is cheap. My God, everything is cheap. You don't believe me that everything's cheap? I'm running by you, okay? Just trying to help you guys out. I'm gonna run it by you. I've had a dividend portfolio before. I have sold before to purchase a home. This home tour coming soon, people. So make sure you subscribe for that, because we doing the big around these parts. I want to show y'all, and I'm out here upgrade. Y'all know what, y'all. Subscribe to get that home tour. But right now, it's stocks out there on the stock market that have literally are blue chip stocks, high value companies. These companies ain't going nowhere. We just in a downturn right now, which means you can scoop up these shares for a fraction of what they used to be costing. And you'll go, oh well, it's gonna go down some more. I'm gonna wait. I mean, you can if that's what you want to do, but why not start purchasing now and you can just dollar cost average down, right? Even if the market continues to fall, that's cool. You got some skin in the game, and while you got that skin in the game with dividend investing, you're making dividends monthly. So even though it's falling, if you be a long-term investor, you're thinking 2, 3, 4, 5 years out here, you're now accumulating shares while receiving dividends just to help you accumulate more shares. Why it keeps falling, so you can accumulate more shares, because the more shares you get, the more dividend payouts you get, which means the more shares you can buy, which means, oh my God, Are we compounding here? Are we compounding here? We are. So why wait? Right? Right? Start today. Now, I know what you think. Okay, well, I don't know how to pick stocks. How do I know which ones pick dividend? My guy, this is why you should subscribe to my channel, right? I got you. I am willing to show you my dividend portfolio, not so you can copy it. If you like the companies that I have, hey, and you want to invest in those, that's a you decision. I'm not telling you to do what I do, but I can give you some premium stocks that are blue chip that pay you. But I'm gonna show you mine. Why? Because ain't no shame, bro. I ain't got a reason not to show you guys. You want to see it? So be it. Right now, my portfolio, like I said, I had one before, and I have sold out to make purchases. But as of right now, we are in the legit growing phase. I'm planning to buy another house until these interest rates fall. So what up? Which means I could probably got a year worth just straight dividend investing time. I have no more investment to do anything. Pretty much got the house squared away, so it's just straight dividend investing. But I only have 7 stocks in my portfolio. All these stocks, 2 pay out per month. 2 pay out this month, then another 2 pay out that month, and then another 2 pay out that month. And my last stock I have is a monthly dividend ETF that pays me out every single month. Why? So we can double down on those dividends, which will help me buy more shares, which help me buy more shares, which help me get more dividend payouts, which increase my passive income, which allow me to get more shares. I can't stress that. But I started this account probably about a month ago, maybe a month and a half. I think I've been in this house for a month. Yeah, something like that. Within that ballpark. It's crazy. But I started this portfolio when I bought this house. In 1 month, I think it started like $300. As of right now, I am investing $150 into this account every single Monday. Why? That's the way you start. You ain't gotta start with $150. If you want to start with more, hey, ball out, cuz. Ball out. But if you don't have it and you want to start a little less, you can do that. Whether it's $20, $10, $5. You can start investing every single week or month, bi-weekly, whatever tickle your fancy, as long as you start, right? But me, personally, I do this every single Monday. Why Monday, you might ask? Monday is one of the possible best days to buy due to no pressure done on Fridays. Sometimes it bounces up. A lot of time it goes down, so it's a good chance to buy. So I chose Mondays. Now, I try to put in $150. I used to put in more, but like I said, I had to buy a lot of stuff for the house for the remodeling. Again, home tour coming soon. Subscribe so you can see it. But once the thing is done, as of right now, I'm getting paid out over $5 every month easily, and I'm only working with $1,700. Like I don't have a lot in, and I'm already making minimum $5 a month. I know what you think. That ain't nothing. Ain't nothing to you because you a big baller apparently. Must be nice. But to a little broke guy like me, hey, I'm smiling from ear to ear.
To do it. Oh, like that.
You hear me? So with these stocks, like I said, we got JP Morgan, Johnson & Johnson, Target, PG, OKE, VOO, and QYLD. These are the stocks in my portfolio. And pretty much all these stocks in my portfolio are solid companies, ETFs, and energy companies. And pretty much all of these stocks pay out somewhere very close to $1 per share, if not over $1. I think there's only 2 stocks in this whole portfolio that don't pay out over $1 per share. But they right there on the cusp, like 90 something. They pushing $1, if not over. But all of these pay me out over $1 per share. So now my goal is to get as many shares as possible. Why? Let's say I can get 20 shares per actual stock. You're talking over $40 per month. And I think that's something that a lot of people can get. They say it may take you some time. Hey, we ain't got nothing but time, right? But you gotta start now. Right now is the best time to start a dividend portfolio. Why? Shares are on sale. And if you're looking around and everybody can tell you it's going to get worse, it's going to get worse, the price is going to fall, we're going down another 20%. All I heard is a discount on top of a discount. A discount on top of a discount. And if you turn down discounts, how rich are you? Like for real, like tell me where you work at so I can apply to. Let me be on your level. But if you ain't there yet, hey, don't be embarrassed. Now is the time to start. Start now. I can't stress that enough. Like I said, I've shown you my portfolio. I told you how much they make per share. I'm telling you right now, it's the best time to start a dividend portfolio. I'm telling you right now, it's time to grind. Because the work don't stop, the grind don't stop. As long as the work is there, we keep grinding. As long as we keep grinding, it works out in your favor. Don't be that guy. Don't be that girl. Don't be that person. Don't be that hermit. Chase the bag. Get the bag. Start your dividend portfolio today. You ain't got to put $100 in there a month. You ain't got to put $200 in there a month. You can do $5, $10, $50. But start today. Do yourself a favor. So subscribe to my channel so you can see my portfolio growing out the wazoo. Be making all this passive income. And then, you just watch my journey and then you realize that you wish you would have started when I told you to start. And you know what? I ain't gonna say I told you so, but I'm gonna look at you like this. That's crazy, right? So you don't want me to look at you like that. So subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna keep you posted. I'm gonna keep you guys locked in on the dividend portfolio weekly because it's time. It's time for me to go full on in. I'm ready. I'm not buying nothing else but stocks. So subscribe to watch that. Really appreciate you watching the video. Like it. Just like the video for the one time. I appreciate you. But it's your boy Exon, and I'm out.